The orders issued by several civic bodies in various states banning the sale of meat on Independence Day have sparked a political storm, with the opposition parties alleging that the fundamental freedom of people is being violated. AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi took potshots at the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation on Wednesday for its direction to slaughterhouses and meat shops to remain closed on August 15, Independence Day, and August 16, Janmashtami. The Hyderabad MP termed the orders callous and unconstitutional. What's the connection between eating meat and celebrating Independence Day? 99% of the Telangana's people eat meat. These meat bans violate people's right to liberty, privacy, livelihood, culture, nutrition, and religion, Owaisi wrote on X. Several municipal bodies in Maharashtra have issued similar directives, drawing sharp criticism even from Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. It is wrong to impose such a ban. In major cities, people of different caste and religion reside. If it is an emotional issue, then people accept it for a day. But if you clamp such orders on Maharashtra Day, Independence Day, and Republic Day, then it is difficult, Pawar told reporters. The Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar Municipal Corporation has announced the closure of slaughterhouses, outlets, and shops selling meat within city limits on 2 days, August 15 and 20, in view of festivals. The Kalyan Dombivli Municipal Corporation in Thane district near Mumbai has also directed the closure of meat shops on August 15. The Malegaon Municipal Corporation too issued a similar order. Lashing out at these directives, Shiv Sena UBT leader Aditya Thackeray said that the municipal corporations would rather focus on issues such as potholes on roads. What we eat on Independence Day is a right, our freedom. They cannot tell us whether to eat. In our houses, even during Navaratri, a prasad has prawns and fish because this is our tradition. This is our Hindutva. Why are you entering our houses? He asked. Earlier, NCP MLA Jitendra Avhad had said he would host a mutton party on August 15 to highlight the freedom of subjective food preferences. Bhiwandi MP and NCP leader Suresh Matre too strongly opposed the restriction, calling it an infringement of people's traditional food habits. What one should eat and what one shouldn't, it is a question of the people. The local fisherman community eats vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. Food habits are shaped by customs prevalent in different parts of the state. The ban on the sale of meat is incomprehensible, Matre told reporters.